Hello, this time I will tell an anecdote. My name is Armando Gamboa Pavon. My number graph is 901. I am 22 years old. The program that I study is industrial engineers. In the last month first, we want to go to Bogota with my daughter and the wife. But then why we decide to take a walk through the city of Cartagena, India, to take a break from work. This city is located in the department of Magdalena. The weather was sunny and windy, which was great because it didn't rain or plains. We visit the castle of San Felipe, the monument of Catalina de India, the old shows, the clock tower, the Pegasus Pier, the bóvedas that I did not enter because they did not live, but it does not matter since I too many photos. I traveled by boat. I went every day to its nearby beach and islands. We had a great time since we looked at a bite where we observed fish and corals, and we went to the mall to see a movie premiere at the cinema. Thank you.